guys, welcome to my channel. Shit, there's not enough room. I got no elbow room. Alright, I want to give away. I went a long time ago. It just arrived. I'm glad. It arrived the other day, actually. And I let her know immediately because I know she was worried about it. Her name is... Alright, we'll start out with her thing. Alright. Her name is 𝑂𝑚𝑛𝑒𝑦𝑎'𝑠. My address and her address are both on each side of this, so... it came all the way from Sweden. And the poor thing was worried so horrible about it. And it was like right in the peak of the virus and stuff. Things got lost. And she's like, oh, do you want me to send you some money from PayPal? I'm like, no, sweetie. You know, I would just grab a few things and say that I want it from her anyways. I wouldn't allow her to do that because shit happens. But it showed up. So, I think it was when she hit 100 subscribers. So we have these cute little... Ooh, I only knew that there was a plate in here. These are cute. And they're not from Charlie's either. Unless Charlie sells them. Takes them out of this wrapper and puts them in her own. But they're pretty. They're roses, rainbows. And then we have these ones. This looks like an artist that I know of. I'll fit my finger. My thumb. And then we have this one. This is cute. These stickers. Hard to tell. Yeah, I think these are clear stickers. They're just on a blue backing. That's what it looks like. Or are they water decals? I don't know, but they're cute. Can you see them? And we have some, rainbow. I've never seen this. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's different colors, and then it's like sparkly. Striping tape. Disney princesses. Man, I could have used these. We've got all the different Disney princesses. And we've got some flower stickers. Some more flower stickers. We've got white and red striping tape. She's super sweet. And then we got this wheel. It's got hearts, ovals, looks like teardrop silver things, stars, triangles, different metals in gold and silver. Another pair of tweezers. Yay! Never have too many of these. And this plate. She does nail polish tutorials. Nail art. You know, OG nail art. This is cute. This is the Artist Collection number 26. Am I looking at it the right way? Hard to tell. There are cute images on there, though. Oh, does that look like a guy and then a sheep or something? It's a pretty plate. But I will leave her link down below in case in case some of you haven't. I mean, I know some of you know who she is. But thank you, Elizabeth. Thank you. I know you were so worried about it arriving, but it did show up. And what else we got? We got this from AliExpress. I got these. These go on your bit. You put your bit through there, and then keep that like on your drill bit thing, so the dust doesn't go down into the shaft. They came in packs of 50 or 100, but I only got 50 because I don't have like 100 drill bits. So that was enough for me. That, and I got, it looked better online, but it's alright. I have some similar to this, so I can just open it and put it in with that. So, that was that. Oh, I got this. This light, okay? Now, I barely have any room to move. This is the top. It looks like it's huge, but it's really, that's my thumb. And this is like a gooseneck. It twists, it turns all around. It's a Sunbeam Lamp, and it has an on and off switch. It's not plugged in because I unplugged it. I got this for $1 at the Dollar Tree. And I've had it on my desk for probably a month or so. And when we went there the other day, they had these. And that's what's on over to the right. I grabbed 2 of them. So check your Dollar Tree. This is the ring light I'm turning down. So that's like, it's just bent down. I can bend it up. Bend it down. You can't tell, but it has different modes. This is the lowest, and it goes off, and then it starts off the highest. So, I mean, for $1, and it's like barely sucks any electricity, as you can see. It uses 4.6 watts of energy. Soft touch finish. It has like this like a rubbery, velvety feeling to it. So I grabbed 2 of them. So now I have like 3 lamps, 3 spare lamps. And, I don't know if any of you guys have heard of 0.8 liter, but it's an app, and you can use it on a desktop. And what you do is they have Korean skincare, This is where I get like all my masks. I don't buy Dollar Tree masks. I will not buy Dollar Tree masks. So I get a lot of skincare from there. And I just got this one. You can either get it for free. Some of them will be a free offer, or you can try it for $3.99, but they go quick. Like, you gotta set your notification that you want it and be quick as soon as it posts to get it. So I got this Alba Peptide No Sebum Mild Gel Cleanser. It retails for $35, and it says super mild gel cleanser. Let me try to open this. They're always very well packaged. It's Korean skincare. Super mild gel cleanser for all skin types. Oh Jesus, come on! I used to save all the boxes too. Ooh, this is a nice one. This is a big bottle. It's a big bottle, and it's got a pump. It looks nice. 300 ml, 10.14 fluid ounces, pH 5.5 gel cleanser. Clears excess sebum and blackheads with powerful BHAs, pH balancing, and restores irritated skin. Calamine powder and a blend of 20 amino acids helps balance skin texture and minimize dullness. I love Korean skincare. I have so much of it. And sometimes I give myself a break from like really a lot of skincare action. So what you do is you go on the app, you get it, and you're just going to do a review on Instagram for it. So within a week, you'll see me just post a review with a couple pictures, because they ask for you to, that's the requirement, is that you do a review on Instagram. You're not doing any Amazon reviews or anything. You're just going to give your honest thoughts on their app and on Instagram. Usually like you post it on their app, and then from there it'll post to Instagram. And you have to leave it up for like 6 months or something like that. I've met a lot of people through there. And yeah, so I'm excited for this one, because I'm just about out of my last cleanser. Because I had to stop. I had so many cleansers. So many cleansers, so many creams. Like this is a cream that I use on my hands, and this is actually for your boobs. It's the elisabetks brand. I love elisabetks skincare. But this is a bust cream. I guess for like when you're if you're pregnant or something, your boobs start stretching out and stuff. Helps firm them up or something. I don't know. My boobs are old, so I just use it on my hands. So, but it's a good way to get your hands on some quality skincare items, because it's not crap. It's good stuff. And then lastly, I just have, in the video that just went up today, which is today's Monday, something, July something, I had a Sparkle & Co. haul, and you saw this come from Joe. I don't want to put anything on it. I have some like other palettes that I can use. I just don't want to put anything on it. So I got some more dip powders, and it came in this, and they sent me like this vinyl sticker. That's cute. This, their information, IG, Facebook, and it says my name, a little smiley face, and it says, "Dear Sparkler, we love you. Thanks for your order." Yeah, it's because I've been dropping a lot of money there. So I'm just trying to grab everything I can. And what was in there was some flip-flops. There's always these little sunglasses and sun. And as always, your order, and it shows how much you paid for it. I scratched out my personal code and the picking when they cross it off when they pick your order, which I appreciate that. I like that. I like the attention to detail. I like to see invoices. I don't want to have to go look up my damn order and all that jazz. So, and I love these bubble bags. Love them, love them, love them. I saved them. Okay, so first we have is Amethyst Dreams. This is kind of like a white shimmery one. Ooh, look at that one. Look at the top. That's gorgeous. That's freaking gorgeous. That's like all year round gorgeous. It's like beautiful summer and beautiful spring and beautiful winter. You could leave it out during the fall though. Earl Grey all day. Secret menu. Kind of like a grayish taupey brown, and it's got like these pink things in there. I don't know if it's glitter or what it is, but it's really pretty. I don't pay $1.50 for the swatch sticks. Graffiti art. Look at that one. That one's in a black base, so that's going to be lovely to get all that black colored acrylic underneath my nail and on my finger. Oh, the joy. That shall be fun. And then we got Gilded Beige. I love these, like, what do I call them? like nudes, but like a shimmery nude. It's coming off a little bit more paler than it is. It's actually like a, right on there, it's not coming up. It's kind of like a light peach, beigey color, hence the name Gilded Beige. It's kind of getting washed out. And then we got Strawberry Shortcake. This one does glow. God, that's the only thing I hate about acrylics, is I get the willies from all the dusty feeling. And it's just like pink with pink and gold foils. Maybe something else in there. They do look a bit different on the site, but that's pretty. Maybe a little bit too pink for me. Like, I don't know why I got this one. I think I got it just to get it. This one's called Watermelon Sizzle. But don't ask me why I buy the shit that I do. Just don't ask. Look at that. Look at that pink. It's like neon pink, and it's got this like color shifting stuff in there. Like I'm seeing purple and blue, but I don't know what is going to come across on the screen. It's pretty, but do you see me actually wearing it? Oh my god, I'm such a loser. And then we got Jasmine's glass slipper. Oh yeah, I did order this one. Okay. This is on the main menu. This is not secret, because it'll say secret menu. This is just dip 129. So anybody, if you're not a member of the sub bag, you can still get this one. It's available. That's that one. It's pretty. It's teal with a lot of gold, or aqua with a lot of gold. I don't know my difference between teal and aqua. We got Forbidden Berries. This is a secret menu one. That's a lid. Oh wow, all these flakies are going everywhere. So it like shifts it. In the camera it's showing mostly blue, but I'm seeing a lot of black and pink and blue. Because I do think it's a black based, yeah, it's a black based dip with these flakies that shift everywhere. I'll get them swatched up. Swatching on camera is a nightmare. It's just a freaking nightmare. And then we got Magic Cotton Candy. This one, I believe, changes color from this to like a purple or a blue. So it's kind of like a very light pink, and it's got this sparkly shimmer in there. But it changes to like a bluish purple. I think that's the color changing one. There's no name on this one. Shit. Hold on. Amethyst Dreams. Okay, this one is a Zora Opal. Anything that said opal I got. Look at that. It's so pretty, so pretty. It's like a very light mint green with all these shifty flakies in there. Shredded beautifulness. The lid looks kind of blue. But, yeah, was that it that I wanted to show you? Yeah, that's it. So I will leave Elisabeth's channel down below so you can check her out. If you are not familiar, if you want to check out 0.8 liter, it's on the Google Play app for free. I'll leave the link down below. I don't get anything. I'm just leaving the link. You don't get nothing for referring people. I don't know if it's available outside the U.S. That's just something I don't know about it. Of course, I'll leave this down there if you want to go over there. If you put my name in, if you buy anything, just put my name in the referral box, and if you sign up for a subscription bag, which I am changing my subscription bag to the $29.99 one, because I don't need the extra crap that they send me, and then still have access to the secret menu, which is whatever secret stuff they have. I don't know the whole thing. I've only been a member 2 months. And, yeah, you'll get, if you make a purchase, you get $9. They'll send you an email with your coupon for $9 worth of product, or to take off of your thing. But if you sign up for a subscription, you'll get $18 credit. And then if you sign up for a subscription, you also have your own personal 20% off code to use when you purchase. So I think that's all I wanted to show you. Oh, now's a good time to go to the Dollar Tree to get binders. I just grabbed this one because it wasn't the only girlyish one I could find. This one, because I have a big folder, I just pulled the foils. I got these things. It's hard to see. Goes across 3. So there's 9, and it's nice and thick, and you can add from the top, so you add right in here, and then right in here, and I just double side it. This is the one that has like my foils. And I just used my old business cards when I was soaping, and I wrapped my foils around that. So yeah, it's a good time to go to the Dollar Tree, get markers and all your needs. And it was really clean there the other day, so I was happy. Grabbed a bunch of notebooks. And yeah, that's it. Sorry, I've wasted enough of your time. Oh my god, I thought I said 49 minutes. So I'll leave all the links down below. I hope everybody's trying to stay cool and continue to be safe, because it's crazy. It's crazy. It's disgusting and borderline horrifying what's going on in this country. So, yeah. Bye, guys. Remember, like, subscribe to YouTube. Crap. Bye.
These are them quickly swatched Magic Cotton Candy. I did them with gel. Gilded Beige. Pay no attention to my shitty handwriting. I know what it says. That's all that matters. Oh god, I can't even see. Amethyst Dreams. Alright, there's so much sparkle it doesn't even want to focus. Yeah, that one just sparkles way too much. Doesn't want to focus. This one's coming off a bit darker than it actually is. It's more of a lighter gray with some more pink to shifting purple glitters in it. That was the Earl Grey all day. Just dropping shit now. This one is a Zora Opal. This has got beautiful like tinsel and foily looking things in it. Stunning. It's this one right here. This is Strawberry Shortcake. This is supposed to be a glow. So, if you look in there, you can see like where I put it. Some of the dust had fallen off. So I don't really know how glow works. I understand thermal, but glow, what do you gotta be at a rave for it to work? Or is it UV? Doesn't look any different. Anyways, it's a pretty one as is. This one's pretty. I just don't know if it's me. And then this one, I'm trying to move quick. This one was, it's right on the swatch stick. What the fuck does it say? Jasmine's glass slipper. Disney reference. Forbidden berries. Sparkly. This one was in a black base. It's very messy. It's pretty. I would do like one coat over a black gel or a black polish. There's 2 coats on all of them. Takes me forever to swatch. So, alright guys, now it's the end. Bye.